Hi everyone! So today I'm just going to be doing a fresh-faced get ready with me. I'm just going to teach you guys how to go from 0 to 100 real quick. Today, you know, it's a chill day, so we're just going to go in. So if you're a working lady on the go, you know, we always need to apply and leave the house. So I'm just going to skip primer today and I'm going to go right into concealer. This is my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C6.5. I'm going to apply this everywhere where I need concealer. Now the point of concealer, ladies, is to cover everything, and honestly that is the beauty of makeup. If you don't look good, you could just apply makeup, look good, and you'll be done. Us ladies, we worry so much about having to accomplish many things, birth children, and you know, sometimes we don't have time for makeup. Sometimes we just have to apply and go, like I said. So here it's very easy because this applicator is very big. So I applied it all over the face. So now we want to blend it in and we want to make sure that it looks like our skin. Now, I didn't have time to go to the bathroom to wet my sponge, so we're just going to use a dry, dirty one real quick and just blend this in. So easy. So easy. Also very effortless. Let me tell you, very effortless. And anybody can do it. That's the beauty of makeup. Like there's no rules, there's no age. Anybody can do it. Make sure you cover your eyebrows too, ladies. Make sure you cover the eyebrows. And when you get under the eyes, you want to make sure you look up to the ceiling. Okay? And just like the eyebrows, cover the eyelid. Go ahead, cover everything. Concealer is magical. It's just a full packed, potent bottle of magic. Pimple who? I don't see her. If you don't have time to go down to your neck, don't worry about it. It's fine. We're applying and going. And if you think, oh my god, this is too light, don't worry. Bronzer will fix everything. Right now, I'm gonna go on into the brows because that's what I like to do. Brow pencil, love her. She's great on the go. You don't need a brush, and all you gotta do is just fill it in. You know, it's just really easy because it's all in one. It's an all-in-one product, so it's just so easy. I know microbladed brows are a thing right now. So what you want to do to make that look a little bit more natural, look, spoolie on the other side. It's like a God-given gift. Like, it's so amazing. You want to just brush it forward. See? Blended eyebrow. Look at that. So then you want to repeat on the same side. And remember, brows are not twins. They didn't come from the same ovary. It's fine. They're sisters, born at different times, maybe years apart, you know? And it's okay if, you know, your brows are cousins as well. That's totally fine. Maybe they're in-laws. It's completely fine. But remember, we're on the go, so we have to put her down now. There's no time. There's no time for concealer to fix anything, so let's just move on into the eyeshadow because eyeshadow is very important. Now, the eyes are the windows to the soul, so I am going to be using one of my more bougie palettes by Sigma, their Viper palette. Look at this, so pretty. I love the color scheme. And so we want to open up our eyes and we want to tell a story. We want to tell a story that this is my life and this is my empire. I'm building my own empire right now. This is my dream, my story, and I am the creator. So we want to really brighten and open the eyes to tell that story. So we're gonna start with the blue. I know, blue is tranquility, it's calmness, it's the best. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with an eyeshadow brush. and I'm really gonna go for it. This brush is amazing for packing on color. As you can see, it's just really nice, and blue honestly is that storyteller. And since I have Asian eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and flick this out because it helps accentuate my almond eyes a lot. So you want to just keep going, and this brush makes it so easy for us girls on the go. And you know what? If you're gonna wear this to work, don't worry if your coworkers have something to say. Like, that's their own narrative, you know? That speaks so much more about them than you. You love life. Remember that. This is your story. You love life. You love life. You are a good sister. You are a good daughter. You are a good fiance. You are the best. So don't let anybody's negativity get to you, because this is your narrative. You know, this is your story, like I said, and you're just living it. Like, this is your reality, sweetie. Since we are so top heavy, you guys know in my tutorials, I always tell you guys, bring some of the drama down onto your lower lash line to make it even. So instead of going full blue, because I know this could be a little dramatic for some people, I get it, it's totally fine. Go in with a shade very similar, and that shade is this green. We're gonna take the same brush because we're busy women, and we're just gonna go ahead and we are going to just bring it down. Look at the ease of application of this brush. Just makes everything like so much better. If you have fallout, don't worry, we're on the go. It's fine. It'll brush off with the wind. Like, once we're running and once we're going, it'll come off, you know? It's fine. Always repeat it on the other eye. Always. I can't stress that enough. Always. Always, always, always. Since we gotta leave the house, let's just go in with our finger with this shimmer shade and pop that right in the inner corner, just like that. It is going to help complete the look, and it's also going to, it's the windowsill to the window to our soul. It is what helps everyone hone in on this entire look. Eyeliner to me is one of the most important steps in a makeup routine. I can't stress my love for eyeliner. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution eyeliner, and we're gonna create some wings today because we're gonna fly away to our job right now, like, hello. So here we go. I always start in the outer corner because it is easier to control my wing. You see that? Very easy, very precise, and very slick. And then you want to close your eyes and just it's a one swipe motion. Wow. You are an artist, my good friend. You are an artist. You are going to tell your story today. Whoever doesn't want to listen is a hater. Okay, so you always want to repeat it onto the other side. And it's okay if they're not even, just like your eyebrows, it's fine. And then with the one swipe motion, go for it, girl, go for it. Oh, love that press. Mascara, we don't have time for her right now because we don't have time for it to dry. So we're gonna go straight into lashes, and this is something that I do on, you know, a very rare occasion, but today we have to go. We have like 5 minutes left for work. I know you gotta leave the house, girl. So I'm gonna use these lashes, and these ones are in the style of Vegas. Oh my god, I'm about to turn 21, so you know how that goes. 21 in literally a week because my birthday's April 8th. Oh my god, these like are made for me. So I am gonna go ahead and apply these lashes, and mind you, lashes are so easy to apply when your eyeliner is really thick because you have such a huge surface area to place your lash on. So when you're running late, go for a thick liner and any type of eyelash because it will go together in the end. So these are what makes you so beautiful. So beautiful. It's like lash extensions but without the commitment. So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. We are going to use this palette up today. We are going to utilize every single portion of this palette. So for bronzer, we have shades right here for some bronzer. So I'm just gonna go ahead, get my brush ready. And like I said, you know, we're a little too light, so it's okay to go a little darker with our bronzer today. It's fine, it's completely necessary. So we're just gonna go ahead and really sculpt the face. Like this is our time to show everybody our cheekbones. And when you want to accentuate your cheekbones, you gotta smile and cusp it. Just cusp that cheekbone. Oh my god, Botox who? Botox who, right? Alright. And then, as always, repeat on the other side. It's fine. You know? Smile and cusp. Smile and cusp. Just like that. And then, obviously, for the chin, it's very important because, like, us college students, you know, we have such a bad diet. You know, I am one to tell you guys, like, I eat ramen every single day of my life. So, you know, it's fine if my face gets a little chunky. All you gotta do is just create that shadow that your chin is so much more thin. You want to bring this up like this so that everybody knows that your chin is the one. It's coming down like that. Yeah, don't look to the side, it's fine. Side profiles aren't everybody's, you know, cup of tea. It's all about that front facing mugshot profile. Love that for us. For the forehead, honestly, you just want to go along the hairline, make it look as natural as possible. Because I know, you know, when people look at you, they always look at you face forward, like I mentioned. So it's important to just go right near that hairline. And like I said, we're utilizing this whole palette. So what am I going to do? I'm going to blend. Ladies, that is the key to a beautiful contoured look. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this right on top. Yeah. Do you see how it just blended everything together? Wow. 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 Oh my god, I almost forgot. Oh my god, I almost forgot about the nose contour. Oh my god, who let me forget? Who let me forget? One of you, who, mamas? Who let me forget? Okay. What was I thinking? Oh my god. Literally, you want to look like you had nose surgery, but we all know we can't afford that right now. Okay, that's not in our budget. So I'm going to take a very small brush and I am going to create the tiniest freaking nose. I'm not gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna blend it, duh, okay? I'm gonna take that light brown shade and I'm gonna blend it because, hello, I'm a makeup artist. So I'm just gonna go ahead and really get in there and really start blending. And then, since we highlighted the inner corner, hello, fingers, just wanna really highlight that. It really lifts the nose and really makes it look like you can't breathe, which is what we want essentially. We want to emulate, you know, like a Kardashian nose, you know, something very small, very slim, like I can't breathe, only through your mouth, and that's fine. That's great. That's all we're going for today. I'm gonna go in with blush now. We're gonna take that same brush we used to contour our face, and this is gonna help it blend into the skin. So again, you wanna smile, and you wanna get it right on the cheek area. And then when you want it to look natural, you bring it back like this. And it just helps everything like blend in with each other. It's amazing. And I know sometimes you're like, oh my god, you know, I still want to keep it natural, so it's okay if you skip highlight. I'm going to skip highlight today, it's fine. And I really want to emphasize my natural lip color, so I'm going to go for something a little rosy, just so that it's not distracting the entire look, because I know we already have like open eyes, we have a very sculpted face, and you know, we're still going to keep it quick and simple, so I'm just going to match my natural lip color. And you always want, whenever you are having a long day, you always want to make sure you have a liquid lip on hand, because it'll stay all day, and that's exactly what we want. And a little trick from me to you, if you emphasize your Cupid's bow, it makes it so that, you know, guys think you have like the most voluminous lips ever, and then it just makes everybody like want to kiss you. Girls, boys, aunts, uncles, grandpa, grandma, your niece, like everybody will just want to kiss you, because they're like, oh my god, she has such healthy, juicy lips, and it's just amazing. So we obviously matched my natural lip color, so this is the completed look. Also, if you really want to take this a step further and really go for that glass skin look, you can go ahead with setting spray and really, you know, set everything. So I'm gonna take this setting spray and I'm gonna go ahead and just lightly mist everything. Alright ladies, we're ready to leave the house now, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys all really enjoy. This was so easy, so quick to film. My camera didn't die. Oh my god, love that for us. This is just very nice, very simple, very easy to do. You only need like 2 brushes to really complete this look. So very easy, very simple, and it really just opens up your eyes and lets everybody know that you're here to slay. Stop, close the door, close the door.
What the f is going on?
It's a fucking April Fool's video, shut the fuck up.
Oh my god.
It's April Fool's video. Oh my god, okay. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing April Fool's Day, and if you didn't catch on, this was just a completely satirical video, so I hope you guys all enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!